In today's video, I will teach you how to create a professional email signature graphics in PicMonkey. Let's get started. To create your own professional email signature, go to PicMonkey's homepage, click the Edit New Image option, and select Blank Canvas. You can either use one of PicMonkey's canvas presets, or you can make your own custom canvas. The standard size for email signature is 150 to 200 by 600 pixels and 3.95 cm by 15.88 cm with 72 dpi. But to make things easier, you can start with a completely customizable template. To do this, go back to PicMonkey's homepage, click the Edit New Image button, and select Templates. In the Templates panel, you will see thousands of free and customizable templates to choose from. Simply type in the keyword email signature and decide which template design to use. To add an image, go to the sidebar and open the Photos and Videos tab. Here, you can either choose from PicMonkey stock images to add as a background, or you can upload your own headshot or logo. To upload your own file to PicMonkey, simply press the Add Photo or Video button and select the source of your file. Now, you can simply click the uploaded file and it will automatically appear on your canvas. Now, to edit the text, simply click on the existing text layer on the canvas. And if you're starting from scratch, you can add a text box by simply going to the sidebar, open the Text tab, and either choose from PicMonkey's text presets or add a new text box. All the text editing tools will appear at the sidebar while the text layer is selected. Make sure to add important details such as your name, contact information, and job title or position. Now let's add some graphics to decorate your email signature. Go to the sidebar, open the Graphics tab, and browse through PicMonkey's graphics library, or simply type in a keyword related to the graphics element that you would like to find. To customize your graphics, simply select the graphics element that you wish to edit, and a new set of editing tools will appear at the sidebar. Make sure that the graphics have enough contrast from the other elements, especially the background, so that they won't blend into each other. Now, just play around with your design. And once you're satisfied with your email signature, you can now download the image directly to your computer. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.